An incident that happened on Sunday morning on the roads of Pune has shook the entire nation. A 17-year-old young boy crashed his fancy Porsche into a motorcycle, and this incident took life of two people. Two IT engineers named Anish Avadhyay and Ashwini Koshta were coming back from a party around 2:15 am in the night when a fast Porsche crashed into their bike right from behind, and both of them died right on the spot. Meanwhile, the CCTV footage revealed the car zooming at about 200 km/h in a narrow lane.
अभी तक इस प्रकरण में इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पूना के अलग अलग भाग से 720 किलो के अंदाज में एमडी रिकवर की गई है। दिल्ली में जो हमारी ऑपरेशन कल चल रही थी उसमें अंदाजन 970 किलो का कॉन्ट्राबैंड रिकवर किया गया है। टोटल मिला के 1700 किलो, जिसकी अप्रॉक्सीमेट एस्टिमेटेड मार्केट वैल्यू 3000 से 3500 करोड़ के आसपास की होगी, वो अभी तक की रिकवरी है। इस प्रकरण में जो दिल्ली में जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रहा था उसमें एक कुरियर एजेंसी का नाम सामने आया है जिसके द्वारा रेडी प्रोसेस्ड फूड आइटम्स के पैकेट में इस प्रकार के कॉन्ट्राबैंड्स को कंसील करके कुरियर किया जा रहा था। उसके एक्यूज्ड को भी ताबे में लिया गया है। सांगली डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक ऑपरेशन हमारी शुरू है जहां पे कुछ पैमाने में एमडी बरामद की गई है। अभी ऑपरेशन शुरू है, इसके बारे में डिटेल अपडेट आपको बाद में दी जाएगी। अभी तक टोटल हमारे पास 8 एक्यूज्ड अरेस्ट या अंडर डिटेंशन है।
हैदराबाद और बेंगलुरु में भी
शहर के अलग अलग भाग में हमारी टीम प्री पोजिशंड है। जो इंट्रोगेशन में इंफॉर्मेशन सामने आ रहा है उसके मद्देनजर अलग अलग जगह पे ऑपरेशन की जा रही है। जो भी सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशंस होंगे उसके बारे में आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी।
दिल्ली से कुरियर जो जा रहा था वो कहाँ जा रहा था?
वो लंदन को कुछ जो कंसाइनमेंट्स हैं वो लंदन को गया था, ऐसी जानकारी हमें मिली है।
सर, अभी जो ड्रग्स ले गया है ये सब कुकिंग के फैक्ट्री से गया है, ऐसा लग रहा है।
ऐसा ही अभी तक के तपास में दिखा है।
Here we need to note one thing. The legal drinking age in Maharashtra is 25, making it illegal for the establishment to serve him. Right after the incident, the minor was detained, but within just 15 hours, he was granted bail. Well, this has marked intense public outcry. On the other hand, Juvenile Justice Board required the person to follow several conditions to help them improve. These conditions included counseling, joining a de-addiction program, and writing a 300-word essay on road safety. Though many people have criticized this lenient response because the accident is really serious. Now, in the latest development, the father of 17-year-old boy has been arrested by Pune police from Maharashtra's Aurangabad. The name of the father is Vishal Agarwal, who is a real estate developer. Following the accident, an FIR was lodged against Vishal Agarwal, and the accused immediately made an escape plan. In a bid of dodge capture, Agarwal executed a clever scheme. He drove his regular car towards Mumbai, accompanied by his driver. Meanwhile, he dispatched another vehicle towards Goa and Kolhapur, throwing authorities off his trail. Throughout his escape, he kept his family in the dark, feeding them false information about his destination, insisting that he was en route to Mumbai. Agarwal took further steps to evade detection by switching off his main phone and adopting a new number to avoid tracking. Despite his effort, authority managed to trace his movements through GPS of the car's friends, which he utilized to visit different places. This included his farmhouse in Daun and properties in Pune. Using advanced technology and GPS tracking, Pune Crime Branch team worked really hard to locate Agarwal. They used CCTV footage and intercepted messages that were sent by Agarwal to his family. Finally, their effort paid off when they found him hiding in a small launch in Sambhajinagar. Well, for further update, do follow India.com.